And we're going to be cooking with Candy.
Candy.
What's your name? Are you sure you can cook with me? What is this?
Pizza owners.
Oh my god. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today we're not going to be talking about skincare. We're going to be cooking. Okay. And we're going to be cooking with Candy. What's your name?
What's your name?
I say, what's your name?
What's the name?
Why are you repeating?
Okay, pizza.
Are you sure you can cook with me?
I
Tell them your name. My name is Mommy. What's your name?
The me. Why? What's the name?
My name is Mommy. What's your name?
The me, mommy. The me, the mommy. The me, the candy. What's the
Okay,
name?
his name is Candy. My name is Mommy. So we're going to be cooking something. Yay!
Yay!
What is this?
Pizza owners.
A white onion.
What's owners?
Okay,
What
alright.
did you get?
It's a knife.
Knife. No, it's hot.
It's hot. Oh yeah, sit down.
This is Paris and he wants to hold.
Have it. Now we're done with onion. Oh my god. Oh my god.
In the teacher.
Ants. I don't know where they are from. Kill it. Good. Alright, we're going to cut this one. What is this called?
Timothy Habit.
Alright. What is this called?
The car.
What is this?
The white pepper.
Bell pepper. Good.
The white pepper.
Bell peppers.
Whoa, so many.
So many.
Well, what
Do you love bell peppers?
Yes.
I love bell peppers.
My five. What's the name?
My name is Mommy.
No. The my mommy. What's the name?
No. My name is Mommy. What's your name?
No. My pie. What's the
My
name?
name is Mommy.
It's me, Mercy.
Oh, no, not Mercy.
What?
Okay, we're going to be
The
cutting.
my pies.
What is this?
What is it? White onions.
White onion. Good job. I hold it. Let me show you how to cut it. Okay, hold this one. Alright. You hold here and you cut. Cut.
Cut.
Cut. For yourself.
Wadi, pada, I want to do. Babu.
Alright, that's it.
What babu? Go red.
Oh, Mrs. cutting it. Oh no!
Oh no. See, yellow, the red babu.
Yellow, okay. No.
Oh, city.
What's this?
Yellow, red babu.
Yellow bell peppers. Good job.
What is that?
Okay, let's cut it.
Cut.
Good job.
What is that? Roll it.
Faster, and let it go. Bravo! Fire!
Help me, the fire. Help. The fire. Me.
Put it in, put it.
Hey.
Good job. We just need a little oil for this.
Put it in.
Good job.
We do. What is that?
Roll it, faster, and let it go. Put the onion. Put it. Yeah. Sorry. Is it? Why did you splash it in like that? You put it gently, okay? A little oil poured on the main chef, so the sous chef is gonna continue with the dish. Eat fast.